Hi everyone, welcome to buildmysiteforfree.com. Today we have another video about widgets. So what are widgets and how do we install them? Well, for those of you that don't know, widgets are very similar to plugins, and they may even be uploaded like plugins, and they're usually located in your sidebar. Now, what it is an application that basically enables you to perform a specific function or access a service. And there are plenty of widgets to choose from, depending on what you actually want to appear on your sidebar of your blog. So to get to the widgets page on your WordPress dashboard, you want to scroll down to where it says Appearance. And then you're going to scroll down to the second link where it says Widgets. Very simple. And it brings you to your widgets page. So here are all the widgets that we can currently use, and basically we install them just by clicking it and then dragging and dropping it to our widget areas. And we have a few widget areas. We have the primary widget area, which is usually always in the sidebar, and then we have the secondary widget area, first footer, second footer, third footer, and fourth footer. So these are all different locations of where we can put the widgets that we choose. So I'm just going to take this one out because I actually don't want the archives on my blog. And currently I have the categories and calendar in the widget area of my blog. So if I go to my blog, you will notice here in the sidebar are the two widgets. The categories I have for all my posts and a calendar. But I want to add a few more because I think it's a nice feature to add to your blog. So you could scroll down, everything's in alphabetical order, and you can choose what you want. So I'm going to scroll over and put my pages up here because now they can just click on the different pages I have. And if you notice, each time you drag and drop a widget to the area you're putting it in, there'll be different options for them. So for this one, you can actually type in a title. You can even sort them by page order, page ID, or page title. And you can also have it exclude certain features. So for this one, you have the calendar, you have the option just to add a title. For categories, you have the option to add a title, but then choose a few items from the checkbox. So each of them are going to be different, and you can change them according to what you prefer. And what I also want to do is since I've already uploaded the plugin Max Banner Ads, I want to take this and put it in my sidebar widget. So now I can actually choose different ads to put in the sidebar widget as well. And I can even choose how I want them aligned and how I want them customized. And let's see, let's put one more in. Let's put a search box in, because now people can actually search for posts and pages on my blog. And, let's just make this search box. You could have whatever you want, and then I'll just click Save. So now currently we have categories, calendar, pages, the Max Banner Ads sidebar widget, and a search box in my primary widget area. And just to show you the other widget areas, let's just take the first footer widget area, we'll open this up, and let's bring the search box to this one. So we'll see how they both look. So now this is where our widgets are, how you can find them, and this is how you install them, by dragging and dropping them into your widget areas. And that's basically all there is to it. So now that we have situated where we want these specific widgets, 4 in our primary widget area and 1 in our first footer widget area, I'm going to come back to my blog. I'm just going to refresh it. There is no save button. It automatically saves it for you. This is just taking a second. But now if you notice, on our primary widget area, the sidebar, we have our categories and calendar, like we already did. We have all of the current pages to my blog, which you can also find right up here. We're going to scroll down a little bit further, and you'll notice in our footer widget bar, we have the search box. And these are all the widgets we just added in the first footer bar and the sidebar in the primary widget area. And it's just a really cool function. The reason the Max Banner ad hasn't came up is because I haven't added one to that plugin yet, but once I do, it would be situated right here where I'm circling with my mouse. And this video has been about widgets and how you install them. You can check out more videos on how to use the RSS widget and the text widget. And thank you for watching. Please visit buildmysiteforfree.com for more information.